Imagine a day in the office without access to your email and instant messaging, spreadsheet application, CRM software, quoting and accounting software, calendars, anything and everything you need to run your business. That's reality when your IT network goes down and takes your cloud connection with it, because it's no exaggeration to say that nearly everything about your business has moved or will move to the cloud. In fact, more than 90% of businesses are now using cloud technology at some level. This shift to the cloud is real, and it's happening fast. So what does this shift mean for you and your business? Well, when your business is in the cloud, you need to be able to reach the cloud all the time. Because when the network is down, your operation comes to a grinding halt. Employees are frustrated and productivity plummets. Not to mention lost sales and the potential damage to your reputation. One study found that because of IT downtime, the average worker simply can't work at all for more than 15 hours each year. Now consider their salary, multiply that by how many employees you have, and then factor the amount of revenue you lose while you're unable to process orders or respond to customers. Downtime can add up to thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars per hour. The good news is, it's also avoidable. So how do you make sure your network won't let your business down? That your network will just work, kind of like electricity running reliably in the background, always powering your business to do what it does best. That's where we can help. Our IT pros work in the background, carefully monitoring and maintaining your technology to keep everything in tip-top shape, now and as your business needs evolve. We can spot potential network issues and fix them before they become a major problem. And should disaster strike, a flood, a fire, a virus, we've got real-time recovery solutions that'll have you back up and running in no time. As your business continues to rely on the cloud, your network becomes everything. Rely on us to give your network the care and attention it deserves. Then relax, we've got you covered.